Our brand new 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 is on its second tank of fuel since we bought it brand new. 131.5 miles on the odometer. We've gone 69.5 miles on this tank of fuel. Today I want to check and see what our fuel economy has been on this second tank, which has included some street driving, very low speed technical 4x4 riding with the family, a lot of desert riding, trail riding with the family. Let's see how it did on fuel economy. Looks like I was able to get 5.845 gallons of 91 octane premium fuel into it. Let's see how that equates. Well, there it is, folks. According to my calculation, on our second tank of fuel in this brand new machine, we averaged 11.9 miles per gallon. And keep in mind that includes a lot of letting it idle and warm up before going on rides. That includes a lot of low speed, really a lot of low speed riding with the whole family on board. That's what we've done. That's what most of the miles were, was low speed riding and some trail riding out in the desert. You know, I'd say below 20 miles per hour. 10 to 20 miles per hour. So we'll see how it changes as time goes by, as it continues to break in. And I'll also do some tests in the future to see how it does with specifically with more higher speed road miles, and let you know.